Do you know, we can definitely travel to the future, and astronauts do that. But astronauts are ahead of us by just that it will take 100 years for them to get ahead by just 1 second. Don't worry, there are other ways too. First of them is traveling at light speed, that is 300 million meters per second. As Einstein said in his special relativity theory, that anything when travels at light speed gains infinite mass. And to accelerate infinite mass, we need infinite energy. Another way to do time travel is getting away from Earth to a source of high gravitational force like a black hole. Not getting in it, but near its edges. And then coming back to Earth. The time on Earth will be passing, but your time is slowed down. Hence, you travel to the future. In the next part, we'll discuss how to travel to the past, which is more complicated. Until then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.